So in the last videos, we started exploring the Java. Okay. As a first topic, I explained what is mean by these Java editions, how many editions are there in Java. In total, there are three editions are there: standard edition, enterprise edition, micro edition. And if you take this Java standard edition, these are nothing but what are the various points that I covered. Like standard edition means which is going to focus only on fundamentals of Java, which is nothing but core Java. Okay. So with the help of this standard edition, we can develop a small applications. And we have enterprise edition is also there. By using enterprise edition, we can develop big web applications. Okay, next and after that, distributed applications like we can develop. And even in the micro edition, we are going to deal with the micro programming, so which is related to the mobile related hardwares. But anyway, we don't have any big support for this. So Java is best suitable only to develop standalone and enterprise applications, not for mobile based company. Okay, so that's why we are not using Android is the best choice for that. So now even I have explained some two logics, like how you can able to check whether the given number is a prime number or not, how to check, okay, how to swap, how to interchange two values. That part we discussed very clearly. Now even I list out all the features which are available in Java. Like our Java is simple and easy, and our Java is object oriented programming, and our Java is platform independent, and our Java is architecture neutral, and it is portable, and it is a robust programming language, dynamic programming language, distributed programming, multi-threading support is there, interpretive programming language. And Java uses both compilation technique as well as interpretation technique. Okay, and it is going to give high performance. Like this, we have so many features are there. As a part of that, I covered sir two features in the last videos, like how we can say our Java is simple and easy, and how we can say it is portable. Now, as a part of a continuation for this, today I am going to explain one more feature, which is nothing but sir platform. Okay, platform independent. Yes, we can say our Java is platform independent programming language. Okay, our Java is nothing but what? Platform independent. Sir, Java is so platform independent programming language. Java is a platform independent programming language. So that is we can create Java programs. We can create Java programs in one system. Okay, so one platform means I am talking with respect to operating system in one platform. And execute in any platform that is nothing but so any operating system without doing any modifications. So no need to do any modifications, directly we can. Sir, if you want, I want to demonstrate one simple so diagram for understanding this concept. So consider this is nothing but I have one PC is there, or assume it is nothing but one system. This is nothing but the first system what we have. Sir, like this, I am going to take multiple systems. This is nothing but the first system. Assume I am taking another system, and this is nothing but another system, and this one is nothing but another system. And maybe these are connected across the network, or let us see, I created one program in the first system, sir. What is the program here is maybe Java app 1 application 1 I created, and underlying operating system here is nothing but, sir, I'm using, okay, So I'm using Mac OS here. Okay, so I developed this particular application under which operating system support? Mac OS operating system support. Sir, this application is working perfectly in this system one. Now I moved that application to another system. So can I move? Yes, because my Java is portable, right? Easily we can able to move happily, no problem at all. Sir, I moved that application from first system to second system. Sir, now unfortunately, in the second system, I am using Windows, sir, or I am using Linux. Sir, will it works? Definitely. This nature is called as platform independent. Sir, do you know how it is going to be happened internally? This application will be converted into one special code called bytecode. Later, we will see about this in detail, like JRE, JVM, like I'm going to explain some theoretical points, not now in our regular class. There I will explain. This bytecode is, we can transfer this bytecode across the network, sir. So this bytecode, if you are sending to any other system, that system is going to receive this bytecode. From this bytecode, do you know, we are going to generate object code. Object code means it is mission dependent. It is mission dependent. So it is mission independent. That's why we are going to use a bytecode terminology. Now, if you receive this bytecode, happily we can convert that bytecode into object related terminology. That means that system related code we can generate. Sir, for this, who is providing support? Internally, Linux related Java virtual machine will be there internally. So internally, that Linux related, so JVM will be there, sir. That is responsible to perform this activity. Sorry, here. Okay, let me write here. So Linux related JVM will be there. That Linux related JVM is responsible to convert this bytecode into executable code, that is object code, like that. Sir, similarly, can I run this application? So in other system, maybe assume, sir, I am going to transfer this application to another mission, where that mission is taking, that mission is working under Windows. It is working under, so Windows platform, Windows operating system, it is running under Windows operating system. Now is it going to work? Yes, sir. In Java, I mean in Windows, so Windows related JVM will be there, Java virtual mission. Okay, of course, now you can see my mission is going to execute Java programs, means, so I'm using which operating system, sir? I'm using Windows. That's why Windows related JVM will be installed in my system. Like that we can do. Sir, I'm using Mac OS only. No problem. So already the application is developed in that Mac OS environment. Happily, it is going to execute one more time. No problem at all. So this is nothing but the what is the conclusion. Sir, now some people may have a doubt. What is that doubt is, sir, I have one question here. So this bytecode is mission dependent or mission independent? Means, sir, it is a mission independent. Sir, what about JVM, Java virtual machine? Is it mission dependent or mission independent? Means mission dependent. Sir, Windows operating system JVM is different from Mac OS operating system JVM. So there will be a differentiation. Okay, that JVM is going to do majority of the work. I think from this diagram, I think you can able to get Java virtual machine is playing an important role in the Java. What is that role? Sir, whatever code that you are giving, that will be converted into its a corresponding operating system understandable code, which is nothing but object code or mission understandable code. So once if you develop any application, while transferring that application across the network, so don't transfer in the form of object code, better to transfer in the form of intermediate bytecode, so that happily other systems will receive and they are going to decrypt, in the sense they will convert it into object code. This kind of technology is not there in C language. That is the biggest problem what we have in C. in C language, when you are developing any application, after compilation, automatically you are going to get system dependent code, which is nothing but object code. If you are moving that object code from one system to another system, it is developed based on current system configurations. Now you can't move that into the other. Okay, so we have a biggest issue is there. So this concept, I can say, Java is nothing but what? Platform independent. Java is nothing but what? Platform independent. I think you understood the terminology what we have here. Any doubts, friends? Please confirm. Sir, up to this, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Sir, are you understanding my words? Are you getting these terminologies? Please confirm.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. So anyway, we talked in detail about this platform independent. Almost 20 minutes I covered about this. Sir, 1 second, please wait. Yeah. Um, some student is posting this message. Okay. Okay, maybe, sir, but definitely. Sir, anyone feeling somewhat same thing? Understandable, sir, but please decrease the speed. Okay. Uh, and I feel that you are little bit fast, if I'm not wrong. Maybe for this platform independent, so I moved a bit fast because I involved too much in the subject. Okay, sir, clear? Don't worry, I will reduce the speed. Yeah, right. Right, sir. Coming to the next feature, what we have. Okay, coming to the next feature, what we have. Of course, we covered in detail about one lengthy topic. That's why let us take one simple topic. Sir, our Java is distributed, distributed programming language. What is mean by distributed programming language? Sir, very simple. By using Java programming language, okay, we can develop the following two types of applications. So two types of applications we can develop. What is the first application? Sir, standalone applications. Already I covered, which runs only on single mission. Okay, so which runs only on single mission like that we have. Sir, second one is, sir, do you know distributed applications? Distributed applications in the sense I can use the word called servlets. Okay, I can use the word called JSP, even sir HTML, okay, JavaScript, okay, next and after that Spring Boot, okay, sir, all these are nothing but what? Distributed applications. I can prepare one application and I can save it in one server. If any system is connected to that server by using some protocols, by using some IP address, by using some local host, we can able to access that information. So such a type of a facility is available. Once if you prepare a small project in your system, so you can able to dump that project in the web servers, so that what will happen in the worldwide, anyone can able to access that URL. So just by sending the URL, I can get the total information into my system. Such a type of applications also we can develop. Of course, unfortunately, we are not covering these distributed applications in our syllabus. After completion of this batch, immediately I'm going to start so advanced Java and full stack. There you can able to get that. But as of now, we are focusing only on standalone applications. This is nothing but what we have. I'm not going in detail. So anyway, in the upcoming classes, we will discuss. Sir, are you clear with this distributed programming language feature? Why we can say Java is distributed? Is it clear, friends?
Yes.
So what does HTML stands for?
Sir, HTML, sorry.
Oh.
Hypertext Markup Language. It is something related to the web. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Right. Yeah. Sir Rajesh, is it okay? Speed now.
Yes, sir. Yes. It's
Good.
clear now.
Right. So as of now, I covered totally 4 features. Still 8 features are there that we will discuss in the next class. Sir, now I will start programming because from day 1, we are discussing only theory programming, sir, theory part. Now we need to see the programs also, right? So before going to the programming, of course, some people don't have any knowledge in the programming previously. So today they are learning this as the first programming language. So like that, some people may have, but for them, just let us revise 1 or 2 minutes. Sir, I want to write a simple C program to print some hello world message, because this is the first program in every programming language. I want to write a C program to print a hello world message on the screen, sir. How we can able to do? Very simple, sir. In C language, the program execution start from where, sir? Main method, main function, like that it will be there. So it is a block of statements we have to write here. Always the program execution is going to start, begin from this line, and up to ending of this particular block it will execute. That is nothing but, so C program execution. Always your C program execution starts from which method? Main method. And in C language and even in C++, even in our Java also, every function, if it is doing some activity, it should return some value. Okay, suppose I'm giving one operation, like you have to add 2 numbers which I am giving, and you have to give the result. Suppose if I'm giving 10 and 20, what output I am expecting from you? 30. So you are taking the data, you are doing some operation. After that, you are returning the result. You are giving the result back. So that's why return type is mandatory. But main method is just like a starting of the program. We are not required to stop. Automatically, it is going to stop. That's why it won't give any result, sir. Just it is a starting point. That's all. Have you observed something like in the villages, motors will be there. We have to start that motor. That's all. Okay. Once if the power on, power gone, automatically it will stop. Okay. So no need to stop. So just it is something like starting point. That's all. So here also, it is just like the program execution is going to start and it will stop. So it won't return anything. That's why we have to take void. Void means empty, nothing. And here we have to write one beautiful function is there with the name printf. It is a predefined function. Within double quotations, whatever message that you are giving, that message will be printed on the screen. Sir, main method, you have written the code, but who has written this printf code? Some library is there. That library, in that library, they provided implementation for us. Sir, what we have to do? You have to link that library. So in C language, to link that library, we have like this. Hash include preprocessor is there. By using that we are including stdio.h into our program. Sir, what this stdio.h? Standard input and output. If you want to perform any input output related activities, we have to use this one. This is nothing but what we have, sir. I think you understood the terminology. Sir, do you have any doubt in this program? Please confirm. Clear, right?
Clear, sir.
Now, sir, I want to execute this. Really, is it working or not? I want to check. Sir, we have C online compilers are there. We need to execute from that. Any compiler you can use, no need. Sir, here I have taken this one. Just whatever code I prepared, I copy pasted here and I am running this program. Sir, are you seeing we are getting the message called hello world or not? Yes. This is the way, sir, how you can execute a simple C program. What output we are getting for this, friends? It is printing so hello world like this. So this is given as a input to Java, because in the yesterday session, somewhere while covering the features of Java, I told Java is a very simple programming language. How it is simple? Because the instructions are came from C language and C++. Because Java is extending the properties of C language, just I am going to use this syntaxes as it is. That is the reason why I covered this C program. Now, same, I want to take Java program to print, sir, hello world message on the screen. How you can able to do? We have to write a Java program for that. Okay. So we are going to explore this Java program in today's session. Sir, in Java also, we have to take the main method, and this main method is going to have some instructions will be there. And main method is not going to return anything. It is going to take a void, but main method is taking some inputs. Sir, if you want to find out, okay, so square root of the given number, so we have to take one function called sqrt. Within bracket you need to pass 4. What it is going to do? 4 square root it is going to return something like 2.14. Similarly, we have power function is there where you need to pass 2 parameters. It will calculate 2 to the power 3. Sir, what output we are getting? 8 because 2 cube value is nothing but what? 8. Like this we are getting. Sir, are you seeing here? This function is taking only one parameter. This function is taking 2 parameters. Like that, Java main method is also going to take one parameter. That parameter name I am giving as args. Okay. And it is what type? It is of type string. So any number of values we can pass. It is something like a container. In this, we are going to store all the values. The name of the container is args. If I want to represent in the form of diagram, this is nothing but the container. The name of the container is nothing but args. In this, values will be there. Sir, I sent 10, 20, 30. Okay, next and after that KPB like this. Sir, 10 will be there. 20 will be there. So 30 will be there and KPB will be there in this basket. If you want, you can get one by one, but how to get that part and all we will discuss later. Okay, there is one concept is there with name command line arguments. There I will explain in detail. Okay, as of now, not required. This is nothing but the syntax of main method. What is the syntax? Void main string arguments args. Like that we have to take. Okay, sir, in C language, if you want to print any message, you used printf. In Java, how to print, sir? Sir, we can use print function. So I am taking so hello world something like this. That's all. Layman terminology, right? Everyone can able to understand. But so where this print function is defined, we are not required to import. It is available with one static reference called out, and there is one more predefined class is there with name system, because it is something related to the object oriented programming. So if you want to access anything, you have to take the permission. Okay. Sir, now you can see if you want to execute, if you want to touch this print function, you need to get the permission from this out and from this system. That's why the complete path you have to take. Sir, please make sure S is a capital letter. So you are not executing the programs, right? Don't worry. The step by step why we are taking capital letters, where we need to take capital letters, where we need to take the small letters, everything I will demonstrate. Don't worry. So this is nothing but main method syntax what we have. Okay. Sir, any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Any doubts up to this? Whatever I covered, please confirm. Guys, please respond. Clear up to this?
Sir,
Yes, madam.
sir, why we have written system dot out before print, sir?
This is that's what I told, madam. In C language, directly we can call print function. But in Java, this style won't work out because if you take in C language, I will draw one diagram, you can understand. In C language, a library will be there like this, stdio. In this directly printf function will be available. That's why directly we can call. But in Java, if you want to call print function, it is associated with some reference variable called out, and it is associated with some reference variable called system. So if we want to access these, we need to get into one by one step layer, and then we have to, because we can have some other classes in that also print function may be available. Which one you are calling is always confusion. That's why the complete path, first we are entering into the main block, and we are entering into the other department block, and we are calling a person like that. Got it?
Now clear, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Just to understand at a top level, everyone, please don't go in detail because this is not the first program that we are going to do. I will explain step by step how to create a Java program. What is the meaning of each and everything? You will get it soon, one by one. Don't worry. But as of now, at the top level, please try to understand. Sir, everyone clear? Please confirm so that I can go for next. Please respond. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
So still continuation is there for this Java program. So now even if I explain, your heads are going to be blocked. That's why just I am going to, as of now, I am going to ignore this because it will be continued. Anyway, still there is a backup for this main method. So we have to write the full-fledged code. That code I will write later. As of now, keep up to this in your mind. Sir, now the next topic, of course, continuation will be there, sir. Don't worry. So next thing, what I need to take here is, sir, already I covered one topic with name introduction. Sir, first we have seen Java editions which are available, and then Java features slowly we are covering. And sir, even how to execute a program in C language I explained, and this Java program we have to explore. But meanwhile, sir, there is one concept is there with name number systems. Everyone should understand what is the meaning of this number system. In short form, I can use the word called NS. NS in the sense number systems. Sir, especially in our mathematics, we are going to use so many number systems. So if we want to represent, so digits, okay, then we should prefer some number systems for understanding purpose. Sir, I think in your mathematics you have studied about this. We have totally four types of number systems are there. What is the first one? Decimal number system. Second one, octal number system. Third one, hexadecimal number system. Fourth one, we have binary number system is there. Sir, these things we are going to address in Java. Minimum 3 to 4 topics will be there internally. So in the wrapper classes we are going to see, in the string class we are going to see, in our data types concept we are going to see. That's why please focus well. There you should not get any confusion. Sir, let me talk about one by one. If you are talking about decimal number system, sir, what is this decimal number system? First, we have to write the allowed digits. Sir, which digits it is going to take? Do you know? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all. These are nothing but allowed digits for decimal number system. Sir, what is the base of this number system? The base of this number system is nothing but what? 9. Because how many digits are there? 9 digits are there. So it is going to comes with 9. Total 9 digits are there. That's why the base is nothing but 9. Sir, in Java, how to represent? Representation. How you are representing the decimal number? Please make sure there is no representation. There is no representation. Like example, if you are taking 10, it is which type of number, sir? It is nothing but decimal number. I have taken 345. It is the decimal number. Sir, like this I have taken. It is the decimal number. If I am taking, sir, 1 to AB, is it a decimal? It is not a decimal. It is not a decimal like that we have. Okay. So I think, yeah, base 10, including 0, sorry, not base 9, sir, sorry. It is a base 10. Sir, including 0, we have to count all the digits. So this is nothing but what is meant by decimal number system. The number system which we are using to count currency or to represent the numbers is nothing but a decimal number system we are using. Sir, up to this decimal number system, do you have any doubts?
No.
So what is base stand for? Means why we are using base?
Base 10 means actually, sir, it is having how many digits?
Okay, 10 digit. Okay,
That is the reason for this. Okay.
okay. Thank you.
We have so much work is there with the 10. We will see later about that. Okay. Now, sir, next and after that, we have octal. Octal number system is there. For octal number system, which are the allowed digits? Sir, the allowed digits are up to 7 only. Up to 7 only. If you count, you are going to get 8, sir. How it is represented? Sir, is this a 10? Is it a octal number? No, sir. Even though the digits are available here, it can be decimal also, right? That's why default priority will be given for decimal. Then how to identify octal numbers? Very simple, sir. It must be prefixed with 0. Some people are going to feel like, sir, if any number is prefixed with 0, directly we are writing 10. No, sir. Please make sure it is nothing but what? Octal. If you are taking 10 like this, it is nothing but what? Decimal. Okay. Now I am taking 0, 1, 2, 3. Is it octal? Yes, it is octal. Sir, if I am taking 1 to 9, can anyone tell me, is it octal? Is it octal?
No,
Yes.
sir. No, sir, it is not octal.
It's not octal. The reason for that is the allowed digits are from 0 to 7 only. You are taking 9. 9 won't come into the picture. In the very beginning days, to represent memory addresses, they are using octal numbers. To represent memory addresses in the system, they are using octal numbers. Of course, now the memory capacity is keep on increasing day by day. That's why more base must be required. That's why they shifted to hexadecimal. Okay. Any doubt about this decimal and octal?
No.
Are you clear with these terminologies?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir. Next and after that. So we have another number system is there with name hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. Sir, what about the allowed digits for this? Very simple, sir. The allowed digits are 0 to 9, and you can take A, B, C, D, E, F. Sir, it can be either small letters or capital letters. Both are allowed, no problem. In total, up to this 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What will be the base, sir? 16. Sir, if you take a 10, it is a decimal. You told that it is a decimal. If you take 0, 1, 0, it is nothing but octal. You told that it is nothing but octal. But, sir, how you can say it is a hexadecimal? Do you know? It must be prefixed with 0 small x or 0 capital X, because alphabet is coming into the picture. That's why some people may take small x, some people may take small capital X. Sir, which is correct? I don't want to give any ambiguity chance. Let us allow to the user, so the user can represent either by using small letter or capital letter. Both I will take. This is the area where Java is not a case sensitive. You can use either lower or upper only in this area. Okay. Now, sir, now how to represent 0x10? This is nothing but what? Hexadecimal. Like this we have. Sir, 0x. Can I take ABCD? Is it hexadecimal or not? Please confirm.
Yes. No.
Yes, it is the hexadecimal, because you can see A is the character is available. Yes. Is the B character is available? Yes. C character is available? Yes. D is available? Yes. But sir, what is its value? Don't worry. We are going to see how we can convert from decimal to other number systems and other number systems to decimal. All these things I will explain. There you will get clarity. It is valid. Now I am taking, sir, 0 capital X. I am taking, sir, D, E, F, G. Is it valid or invalid?
Invalid, sir.
Valid,
Invalid.
sir.
Because you see F is
Invalid.
coming right like that. Okay. Sir, now tell me 0x B, E, E, F, beef. Like this I am taking. Is it valid or invalid?
Invalid, sir.
Invalid, sir.
Oh,
Invalid.
it
Invalid.
because all the characters are there, right? Yes. Sir, can I take 0x beer like this I am taking? Is it valid or invalid?
Invalid, sir.
Invalid.
Valid. Because R is not there, right? Like that, the basic idea you should have, sir. Because in the interviews, sometimes, especially even MNC companies also, in the multiple choice questions, they will give a kind of a twist. So they will give like this: system.out.println of, sir, 0x BA. What is the output of this program? They are going to ask like that. They will give some numerical value they will give, and they will give 0x so BA like this, and they will give invalid like that. So we will get something like syntax error like that you give, and some other number they are going to give. So you should be in a position to detect what is happening. First of all, it is invalid. So sorry, first of all, it is valid. Okay, BA allowed characters, right? So there won't be any syntax error. It won't print as it is. It will convert it into decimal. How it is going to convert in the literals topic, I will explain. Don't worry at all. I think you understood what is mean by decimal number system, what is mean by octal, what is mean by hexadecimal. Nowadays, we are using hexadecimal number system only to represent the memory address. Clear, sir, up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, binary number system. Last number system, what we have? Binary number system. Sir, what about this binary number system? What are the allowed digits, sir? Can anyone tell?
Only 0, 1, sir.
Yes. Internally, system understandable format. Mission language is nothing but 0 and 1. We can't write directly the code in 0 and 1. That is the only reason why we are preparing these many languages. The reason is we can't communicate directly with the system. That is the reason. And base is nothing but what? Since only 2 digits are there, 2. How to represent? It must be prefixed with 0 small b, or it must be prefixed with 0 capital B. If any number is prefixed with 0 small b or 0 capital B, it comes under binary. Let me take one representation, sir. 0B1010. Is it valid or invalid?
Valid, sir.
Valid. I am taking 0B all ones. Is it valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid.
Now I am taking 0B 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it valid or invalid?
Invalid,
Invalid,
sir.
sir.
Valid. Like that we have. But internally, How we are going to represent that part I will discuss later. I think now you got very clear clarity about all these 4 types of number systems. Any doubts, friends?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. So this is very, very important, sir. Whenever you have a time, so you can refer this video one more time because you will get more clarity on this. Because in our upcoming classes, you are going to get confusion. So there, I don't want to go again into the number systems and no need to explain in detail. There, we need to focus only on the Java content. So these basics and all, if I cover here itself, there it won't create any confusion. That's why I'm covering here. And tomorrow we will see how you can convert one type of number system into another type of number system. That is our main motto tomorrow. And for 30 minutes, I will take that. And after that, this Java program execution is pending, right? Just I have given 50% of skeleton that we are going to see in detail. Okay, since we have to add classes and we need to run this program and we need to give some syntaxes for this, that I will explain in the tomorrow's session. Okay, only those 2 topics will be covered in the tomorrow's 1-hour session. Okay, so first, number systems conversion. Second one, how to execute a simple Java program with around 10 cases are there. All those 10 cases I am going to demonstrate tomorrow. Okay, don't miss tomorrow's class because tomorrow class is very, very important. Okay, sir, any doubts up to this? Rajesh is asking, sir, this is my first class. Already 2 classes has been conducted. This is the 3rd class, I guess. Yes, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Don't worry, tomorrow I will share that videos link. Okay.
So I have a doubt.
Yes,
Uh,
yes. You
You
ask.
referred argument as an container and you put some values in that 10, 20, 30. You also said it will also contain KBP or KPB. Can you explain?
Madam, the content here is it can store any type of data.
Mhm.
That is the point. KPB in the sense something like a string combination of characters.
Okay.
So you can take any type of data. Don't worry, there I will give in detail. Just as of now, assume it is a container. There is a name for that container.
Okay.
We can store the input and we can get the values one by one. That's all.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, for freshers, CoreJava is more than sufficient. Right, sir? Thank you. See you in the tomorrow's session. Thank you, guys.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.